Instant ClickBank success. Hi there, Prakash here from prakashevs.com. Welcome to my instant ClickBank success review. I'm here inside the members area of instant ClickBank success. During this video, I will be giving you a demo of exactly what is inside the members area and how this particular thing works. Actually, this is an info course come software which has both the things. So, in a nutshell, ClickBank success is a done for you ClickBank marketing product. It includes all the tools and the training required for ClickBank marketing. So, instant ClickBank success includes a wide range of niches. So, it can be used in a niche. It also includes over 45,000 plus videos so that you don't have to make any review video. So instant ClickBank success is definitely newbie friendly, so it doesn't require any page builder or marketing experience. There is a beautiful training inside here which shows you how to do everything. So the training is requisite enough for you to use the software, and you can also get and you can set up this within a few minutes and start making money with instant ClickBank success. If this sounds like something you're interested in, just click on the link in the description below, which will take you to my bonus page right here, which looks something like this. All you have to do is just scroll down this page below and click on this orange button as of 9 a.m. Eastern on the 22nd of October. And then, because this thing will be live only after the 9 a.m. on the 22nd. Actually, this will be active, but you cannot buy because the sales page will not be active. So once you click this, this will take you to the sales page, which looks something like this. And what you have to do is just click on this get instant CB access, and you can just buy this product. So the front end of CB of instant CB success is $24, and I don't want you to miss this product because I have spent a lot of time putting these bonuses together so that you can get the best out of this instant ClickBank success. So let us go and have a look at the bonuses what I have put in for you. Just a minute, I just want to get back here on this. Yeah, the bonus number one, what I have sourced for you is the Stealth HD. This is advanced Gmail ads hack. So you can make Gmail ads with this without having a list. You can just post ads in Gmail. So you will be getting this software for you. It is an info course of how to do advanced Gmail ads, and this is available for you only the first 24 hours only. So this is the bonus number one what I put in for you. Bonus number two is how to build squeeze pages. Actually, it is very easy how you can build squeeze pages with WordPress. So the bonus number two is how to build squeeze pages. It's very important that you have a list, because the money is in the list. So if you can build your list by using squeeze pages, in this bonus you will learn how to build effective squeeze pages. So, and bonus number 3 is what you're going to get is build your buyers list while profiting. I just now told you that no the money is in the list, so you have to grow your list is very important. That if you're seriously doing want to do affiliate marketing, then you have to build a list. So in this bonus, you get access to a method through which you can build your list while simultaneously making money. Bonus number 4 is you're going to get access to the lockdown formula. In this bonus, you're getting access to this particular software. In this course, will teach you how to make money online using affiliate marketing. This is a very good course put together by Jono Armstrong, and Jono Armstrong is a seven-figure marketer. He is my mentor and one of the very great mentor. He's more than a mentor; he's a guru. So I would say that no, he's a very good mentor, and he has put this particular formula called a lockdown formula. It's a fantastic training course of how you can make money using affiliate marketing. And bonus number 5 is the vendor bonuses. The bonuses that the vendor has given me to give it away to you. See, you're going to get over 150 unique products to give away as bonuses. That is something fantastic. So you're going to get all these from the vendor along with the bonuses what I mentioned above. Even if you buy, even though if you buy just the front end of this particular the ClickBank instant ClickBank success, which is going to just cost you around $24. So you're going to get all these products 100% free of charge and instantly delivered to you, even if you pick up the front end, which is going to just cost you around $24. So to get all these bonuses, all you have to do is press the link in the description below. That will take you to the bonus page. This is the bonus page, and click on any of these orange buttons, which will take you to the sales page. And from the sales page, just click on the button, and it will take you to the Warrior Plus payment gateway, where you can close the thing. Now the thing is, now how will you be getting these bonuses? So what you have to do is you just have to go into Warrior Plus page, which will take you to the receipt page, which looks like this. There you have to just click on this green button which says access your purchase. Then just below that is a blue button which says access affiliate bonuses. So when you press this button, you will get all the bonuses here, all the 4 bonuses here what I have advertised here for you. You don't have to send me a receipt, and you don't have to talk to me or anything. So you're going to get these bonuses straight away from your when you purchase this product. So let us talk about the prices and the upsells. So as I've told you, the price is going to be around, the front end price is going to be around $24 US. Okay, CB Access. So access the powerful instant CB success software and the training modules for $24. Then upsell number 1, you're going to get a pro unlimited version which costs you around $47. See, actually CB success, this front end is going to be a limitation for you. You cannot have access to unlimited pages, or you can't create unlimited affiliate links. So here you're going to have a limitation, but in the pro version it is totally free. Everything is up for you. So upsell number 2 is recurring profits, daily CB sites and funnels added to instant success thing. So this is upsell number 2. Upsell number 3 is done for you, $197 US. Then upsell number 4 is Ninja Training, which is going to cost you $14. Upsell number 5 is Unlimited Traffic Channel, which is going to cost you $197 US, and there's a downsell which is going to be at $97 US. Reseller license, you can sell this as your product, and you can keep all the price points here whatever I mentioned above. So, and upsell number 7 is a limited white label which is going to cost you around 197 US. So this is what you're going to get, the upsells and this one. So you can come and check these in your time, and if you want an overview about instant success, there's also a demo video on my bonus page. You can just check it out at your own time. So just let us go to the sales page, and I just want to show you what is inside the sales page. So the sales page says that new app creates custom ClickBank review sites and funnels in 18 niches that gets you free Google traffic and pulls in passive commissions. Yes, it is true that no, this particular has got funnels in 18 niches, and all you have to do is no, and also Google traffic is free. So, and it pulls in passive commissions with free traffic, no expenses, no bullshit. So this 60 days money back guarantee, it comes with a guarantee, ironclad 60 days money back guarantee. ClickBank offer that pay you more than $500 or more in commissions. At last solution that lets you create job crushing income. So set and forget it, runs 24/7 on complete autopilot. I told you it is 100% newbie friendly. So let me not waste any more time, and you can come and have a look at this at your own time. So I just want to get into the members area and explain what is inside the members area. And this is how the members area looks like. I showed you already. So this is basically a WordPress backend. So you have got everything configured with Elementor, and Elementor is a page builder which with which you can really edit all these sites on the backend. And so what I suggest is there's a fantastic training here. I told you that there's a training which tells you how to put the whole thing together. Also gives you a brief training on Elementor. So this is about it. So I just want to go. This is basically a WordPress dashboard. So it is just a WordPress dashboard. So I just wanted to go into pages and show you. And there is a media library here which has got all the media, and if you want some photo or something, you can always upload it in the media, and this will be called for in the software. And there's a bonus library here, a huge set of bonuses what you can use to give away free, either for list building or even for this one. So this is a bonus library page, and there's one bonus here, but a lot of bonuses are there already given here. So there's a lead magnet library for you to do a promo and build your list. See, this is a very huge lead magnet library is there. It is going into Google Drive. You got ebooks, you got graphics, you got software, and you got videos. So this is all in different niches. So this is what the bonus library is. And the next is the promo mails. You got an ad copy. You got straight away promo mails. You can just access these emails and send. If you got a list, you can just send them. And then we have got templates. You just have to choose a template, and you can configure it as you want it. So that is the thing happening here. And the pages. So suppose you just want to edit a page. All you have to do is go into these pages here, press all pages, and which will take you into. Yeah, my internet is a bit slow, so it is taking more time here. So what you have to do is, I just wanted to show you how the whole thing works on the back end. The WordPress site works on the back end. So actually there's also this stock heaven is there. It got a lot of stock photos, stock images which you can use and for different promotions. So this is the thing now, and I just wanted to go to all pages. Yeah, these are the pages now. So all the pages here, suppose you want to do you want to go to the home page here and you want to edit this, or you want to add some more some text or something like that. All you have to do is, yeah, this is the home page here. So what you have to do is just edit with Elementor, just edit with Elementor. This particular thing takes time because no, it's a little tad slow. I'll just show you how to edit whatever you want to edit. So Elementor Elementor backend looks like this. Yeah, see, this is the whole thing now. It looks like this, very easy to use. Suppose you want to edit this particular thing, all you have to do is click on this button here, and suppose you wanted to make it new battery reconditioning or reconditioning courses courses. Now this is the thing. Suppose you can change the color, you can do whatever you want to do, you can just do it with this. It is no issue on this. Suppose you can also underline this if you want to. So you can underline this, and also you can change the font and do whatever you want to do. And suppose you can also make this a hyperlink. You just have to paste the URL here, and this becomes a hyperlink. When you click on this, it will go into this particular this one. So what you have to do is, this is the title, and now this is for the alignment. You can align it this side, or you can align it in the center. So you got an alignment thing over here. And now go into advanced settings, and here you can have the margin, everything. You can do motion effects, background, so content, this is the style. So you got a lot of features to play with here with this Elementor. And there's a video here which automatically comes with the whole thing. So this is one of the product, battery reconditioning course is one product which is there in ClickBank, and it is quite popular product on ClickBank. So you can, I was telling you, the text color you can change. You can change the color. You can use green color, whatever color you want. Just go into the wheel here, and you can just pick up this, and you can make it red, or you can just change the color, font, text shadow, typography, everything can be changed over here. So apart from that, this is the video. You can change the video also.
So today,
it's all
I'm
very
going to reveal to you the simple battery
great about
reconditioning
this
course
particular
that I've been
software.
using over the
So you
past
can
year
also add
is that we easily bring dead batteries back to life again, just like new. Over the past year, over 19,000
you can add a
people
different
have
video
already
or
set up.
whatever you want to do. You can do it over here. So this brings me to the end of this review, and there's a fantastic training program which is put up by the course vendor, and it's a fantastic training program which tells you everything: how to edit with Elementor, how to get ClickBank links, where to get the ClickBank link, how to edit. Everything is totally given for you. So it's a very good course, I would say, for a newbie who wants to make money immediately. So if you are watching this video, there are 50% chance that you have not subscribed to the channel, and there's a 100% chance that you can just press the button and subscribe it right now. So that brings me to the end of this review, and until the next review, goodbye.